new, see? Boom, 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 see? There are so many IMSI already populated here.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Hello, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. In this video, I would like to explain it to you the passive IMSI catching with the HackRF1. Maybe you already see some video about the passive IMSI catching using the RTL SDR, and I think I use it with another language. In this time, I would like to tell you in this video about the passive IMSI catching using the HackRF1. What is the difference between the HackRF1 with the ordinary passive IMSI catcher with the RTL SDR? As you see this RTL SDR legacy, the coverage of the frequency I think is until to the 1700 something. With the HackRF1, I will show it to you, my HackRF1. And this device, HackRF1, they get the coverage up to around 3 GHz or until 6 GHz, something like that. Or doesn't matter, even if this is already 3 GHz, is already outnumber the maximum frequency that coverage compare with this RTL SDR, etc. Yeah, because this is the RTL SDR, the legacy one. This is already cover the highest higher frequency rather than this one. So for example, in your car and in your area, you have the GSM 1900 PCS. This is already get covered. So it's give you the peace of mind. You can cover the scanning of the GSM using this device. So let's see how the performance of this device. Let's see how I do the passive IMSI catching. You don't need to install anything. You just using the ISO of this operating system that I use it. I will put it later in the description link. And no need any scripting, no need any Python script. You just look at how I do it. I will walk through how you do it. Sit back and relax. Just follow through what the walkthrough that I'm going to share it with you now. Let's see, guys. So after you plug on HackRF1, you need to do the scanning of the GSM. It's simple. GSM scanning. How I install this? I don't install because I'm using the ISO that I will give it to you in the link in the description. You just need to use this install of this operating system, Dragon Vocal. Everything is already installed with any radio frequency utilities. I will just type enter now. The result sometimes quite takes some time, so you just need to be more patient with this one. Okay guys, it's already starting populated the result of this frequency result of the scanning. Now I'm going to stop from here. As I promised it to you, we don't need to do any programming or Python script to do the IMSI catching. So we just need to do the Wireshark, still using the existing tools that already provided in this distro bundle of this operating system. I will just do this and then I will just type it sudo Wireshark. And before that, I'm going to use the GSM live monitoring. I prefer headless because I don't want to use any GUI. Dash frequency. I will just use this frequency, for example. And then I will start to do this loop back. And I will start this. Okay. We will just filter if there is some IMSI come. This is how you filter it. E212.IMSI. So whenever there is some IMSI, it will be populated here, guys. Okay guys, I got the IMSI here. So to make it easy like a IMSI catcher, what I'm gonna do, I will go to the IMSI here. I will right click. I will choose this as a column. There is a column of IMSI catching. You can see from here. So there is some list of the table complete with the IMSI that we able to catch with this one. So whenever there is some new, see, boom, 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 see? There are so many IMSI already populated here. As I promised it to you, as I already explained to you, HackRF1 have the highest cover. And second thing, I told you we don't need to do any scripting to do the IMSI catching, like a Python that flying around in the internet. Oh, this is for IMSI catching. You don't need to do that one again. So you just simple using my way to do that. No IMSI catching. And as I always in my message in my every video, keep learning and stay humble.